I just got to figure out how to make it useful for the stuff that I'm building, essentially. Perfect. I fixed the RSI divergence strategy. Overly complex. Okay. Let's go ahead and try it out now. Still no dice. No trade still. So please go ahead and help debug this. Thanks, Moondev. Much appreciated, bro. I understand now. My pleasure, dude. Still no trades means we need to debug this step by step. Please, please, please. Perfect, Moondev. I've simplified the strategy to test the basic RSI. Okay, so you can go in this loop forever. I just want to show you how to get this done here and how to bring your ideas to life. Okay, so you can see entering short. It looks like now it's definitely hitting. I really think you need to try out the task manager that is in Claude Code, which can integrate harder for me on Windows. Um, I'll try it, dude. I want to know your thoughts. Like, how does it relate to the, like, how can we use it in, my system, RBI. That's what I'm just following every day. So, um, yeah, I haven't figured out what the need is yet, I guess. Okay, you can see some orders are entering, or it says entering short here. So we can remove these debugs so I can see the actual stats. Including Claude Squad, which runs multiple Claude Code agents. I'm still trying to figure out how you use it, bro. How you use it for production in building algorithms, trading bots, etc. Because that's my focus. So I probably just need to give it some time and dive deep into it. Dive deep into it, but I feel like in your head how it'd be applicable to what I do. Perfect. Debug prints removed. Thank you. All right, so okay, now we got some trades. You can see max drawdown 99%. Well, first understand the task managements are not MCP. They allow cursor or other agents to stay focused on the master plan. Yes, I understand that. Win rates 16%, so pretty trash here. Trash strat. Exposure time. It blew up. It blew up. It went to 0. Let's see what the optimization does. And this one is no good either. You can see the expectancy is -8. Okay, so let's just move on to the next one. Trash that idea. Boom. Let's run this one. Remember, it made us 3. So we'll just play with the 3. Okay, this has the same problem actually. So let's go here and say, I really like this idea, but you can see the NANs means that it didn't enter any trades. So let's go ahead and update it so it does enter trades. Sure, the limited context window on cursors main failing, and you try to troubleshoot something, and it blows the context, forgets the big master plan. The problem is that I don't have the same problems you do because you're working with like a big company and probably gigantic code bases, and my code bases aren't gigantic. Because if I find a backtest that works, then I split it out into a bot, and my bots are all under the window. So that's why I'm really, really trying to pull it out of you, dude. Like, what's your idea here? What's your idea? Like, what's your idea for algo trading and quant stuff? Because I know there's something in there, dude. Okay, this one did have some trades. I only had one though. And this was the optimized version. Okay, let's go ahead and say accept here. So this should be an update now. Okay, so you can see this is a much more trades, but kind of bad. No, not kind of bad, very bad. Very, very bad. So we're like 1 for 4 right now, and that's still good in my mind. You can see this strategy now blows up. Let's go ahead and update it a bit so it is much more profitable. I want to figure out how to use the Kalman filter because it came from somebody that I really respect in this game. Yikes, Moondev, that strategy is destroying performance. Return is brutal. Brutal. Let me fix this momentum killer to actually be profitable instead. Come on, Trent. Give us something, bro. How's it apply, bro? How are we going to use it? Task management system. Perfect, Moon. I've completely revamped the momentum killer. All right, let's let this optimize just for funsies. $30K lines. That's a lot of lines, bro. Okay. I can see why you're using it. 30K lines. God damn. God damn. 30K lines, bro. That must be all your stuff you've ever put together with Trading Bots all in the same file.
So don't waste it living someone else's life. Don't be trapped by dogma, which is living with the results of other people's thinking. Don't let the noise of others' opinions drown out your own inner voice. And most important, have the courage to follow your heart and intuition. They somehow already know what you truly want to become. Everything else is secondary. Stay hungry, stay foolish.
Interesting. Interessante, bro. Okay, so I've completely revamped the momentum killer to be much more selective and profitable. All right, so I mean, this is an interesting idea. I just wanted to see a couple ways to work with the Kalman. I want to go ahead and move on to the next one because I ran this. Non.